I still remember the exact day I made my first $10 on YouTube. It wasn't $100, it wasn't even up to 50. But you see that $10, it changed every single thing for me. And when I started, I wasn't even using fancy equipment. I wasn't using a big phone. I was just a regular Nigerian YouTuber, or more like a normal YouTuber with her phone recording, talking to the camera. Like that is uploading sometimes even by midnight with no perfect schedule. I didn't even wait till I know every single thing that I know currently on YouTube. But I kept on pushing. I kept on talking to camera on daily basis with no single audience. Then one fateful, beautiful day, I got this notification from YouTube. Tada! You've been paid $10. It wasn't even $10. I think it was around $18. That was about a day after I got monetized on YouTube. Like I cried, not really because of the money but because that single dollar or that $10 represented something. It simply means that someone somewhere or someone out there watched my video, and that this beautiful dream of mine that I thought was too slow was now becoming a reality. So I said to myself, for the fact that I was able to earn up to this $10, in fact $18. So I told myself that as long as I was able to earn $18, definitely I can be able to earn up to $100. Definitely I can be able to earn up to $200 or even $500. But guess what? Baby girl has earned literally more than $2,000 in just 2 months of being consistent here on YouTube. So if you're watching this right now and your channel is still small, or you are still far from monetization, or nobody is watching you yet, please do not quit. And I want you to understand something. That one view, that one subscriber, or that $1 might be the beginning to your biggest breakthrough. And yes, this is my first YouTube dollar story. And how is yours going to be? Please subscribe if this video actually spoke to you directly, and do not forget to drop your comments. Just go down to the comment section and type "I'm not quitting and I will not give up," so that in some months to come you come back to this post and thank God that you didn't give up. Bye, and I'll see you all in my next video. I remain your host, Princess Chiamaka.